Hello guys, my name is Shivendra, faculty of logical reasoning. Actually, today I am going to discuss what is actually reasoning all about, right? Now, reasoning is having two sections, or we can say two branches. Logical reasoning is a subject which is having two branches. One is called critical reasoning, another is called analytical reasoning. One is analytical, another one is critical. In analytical, there are few sections, again basically few topics, and at the same time in critical we have few topics. Now मैं अभी इस तरीके से बात कर रहा हूँ reason क्यों आप मतलब so many of you might have not heard this कि ये भी इस तरीके से कुछ होता है. I'm talking like this because this section is now becoming very important for CLAT guys. Analytical reasoning is important in each and every exam, including CLAT, but I believe critical is more important for CLAT. As I said, we'll discuss one by one. हर एक एग्जाम को मैं लूंगा और उसके बाद one by one हर एक एग्जाम के point of view से we'll discuss. So, at first, topics under analytical reasoning. Normally, the topics related to finding pattern, or let's say we have a method, we have some fixed system to get answer, are covered under analytical reasoning section, such as alphabet, coding, decoding, direction, blood relation, and there are many more. Sitting arrangement, puzzle, clock, calendar, ranking. There are so many topics which we have to cover under analytical section, and there are few topics under critical as well. Anything related to statement and assumption, conclusion, argumentations, course of action, inferences, anything related to statement, and these points are covered under critical reasoning, right? So these are few topics. I have just written few topics there so that आप उसको link कर पाओगे जब भी आप इनसे go through करोगे तो. Now, so basically these things are some these topics and sections are of logical reasoning. Now, let me tell you importance of reasoning or weightage of reasoning in different exams. So basically I am going to discuss the weightage part of reasoning in different exams such as CLAT, ILAT, DU, HM, and rest of the exams like BBA, BJMC and all, right? At first, let me discuss the importance of reasoning through in CLAT exam और CLAT के अंदर अब आजकल सीन काफी डाइसी सी है actually CLAT में because they have given their notification that now from 2020 we are going to change our pattern. From 2020 till 2019 CLAT was having completely a different pattern, but from now 2020 they are changing their pattern. Exactly what will be the exact or complete scenario will come after exam, but अभी तक exam नहीं हुई तो अभी exactly कुछ कह नहीं सकते. But yes, they have given their notifications that pattern will be completely different from previous years. Now, I'll be discussing separately till 2019 in reasoning, or we can say from reasoning, they used to ask 40 questions. 40 के आसपास क्वेश्चन वो पूछते थे, where total number of questions are actually in CLAT exam was 200. Total number of questions were at that time 200, but now total number of questions are cut down to 150. So the point is, in 2020 paper, they'll be asking overall 150 questions. And from reasoning, there will be around 28 to 30 questions as they said. The CLAT consortium had given their notification instructions. So on the basis of this we can say that there will be 28 to 30 questions in CLAT 2020. They have given their sample paper as well. और इस sample paper के through ये बात सामने आ रही है. So they have given their sample paper as well, where can say 70% questions will be from critical reasoning and it will be around 30% from analytical reasoning. So you can see the change. Actually in 2019, if you talk about 2000 till 2019, if you talk about 2019, 18, 17, 16 पेपर, 15 पेपर की बात करूँ, अगर पीछे के 3, 4, 5 साल के पेपर्स को आप पिक करोगे, you'll find that analytical reasoning were having 80%, 80 to 90% of it, sometimes 100% as well. At the same time, जो critical का section है, यहाँ से बहुत कम questions होते थे, 10 to 20%, 10 to 20% बस simple. ये जो कहानी है अब चेंज हो गई है एक्चुअली क्लैट में 2020 से चीजें बदलने वाली हैं. They'll be more focusing towards critical reasoning in spite of analytical one. Earlier they have paid so many attention towards analytical reasoning as compared to the critical one. In fact, in 2019 there was not a single question from critical reasoning. In 2019 there was not even a single question from critical reasoning. Means all 40 questions were from analytical. From now onwards, things will be different in CLAT exam. Focus will be more towards critical reasoning as compared to analytical one. So these things are something related to CLAT. Basically, weightage of reasoning in CLAT exam. Now, let me talk something about something for IELTS. Importance of reasoning, weightage of reasoning in IELTS exam. And I believe you guys are very much aware what is IELTS. Basically NLU Delhi. This is for NLU Delhi. IELTS, NLU Delhi used to take their separate exam, and that is through IELTS. Overall we have 150 questions in IELTS paper, in which there will be 35 questions from reasoning. So in IELTS there will be 35 questions from reasoning, overall 35 questions from reasoning. And again, if I'll give you a brief sectional brief or sectional detail, that from analytical how many questions are there, from critical how many questions are there, then obviously we can say, see at first let me tell you one thing, that IELTS is having we can say slightly difficult level as compared to CLAT, and so cutoff is also very less here. Normally or usually cutoff is around 72, 72.5 in 2019. So 72, 73, kind of 50%, even less than 50%. So now coming to the point that sectional details, how many questions will be from critical, it will be around 25. See, we cannot say fixed 25 ही पूछेंगे. I cannot say this. It will be around figure basically. ठीक है? Around 25 questions from analytical reasoning and 10 questions from critical reasoning, 10 to 12 sometime, or maybe 8 plus 1 plus minus from, again it is a round figure basically, plus 1 minus 1 or 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 2, right? So it will be like this, which means here analytical is more important. Or you can go and verify these things, because I'm talking these things on the basis of previous year paper pattern only. तो आप इसको cross check भी कर सकते हो. So here we can say that analytical part is more important as compared to the critical one. Now these things are something about IELTS, basically a law exam. Now another law exam UG on the basis of UG is for UG guys actually is DU LLB. Now DU have not fixed total number of questions from let's say different sections. Section wise उन्होंने confirm नहीं किया है that how many questions will be there from this section, from that section, from this section. जैसे from reasoning अगर मैं DU LLB के point of view से बात करूं, at first they have changed their pattern in 2017 and earlier they used to ask 175 question before 2017. ये जो कहानी है 175 क्वेश्चन की, it was before 2017 के पहले की बात है. Now from 2017 they have started asking total 100 questions in which they have not given a fixed cutoff for different sections. I mean not cutoff, total number of questions asked from different sections. So let me give you a detail year wise. In 2017, out of 100 from reasoning, number of questions were around 18 to 20. This was in 2017. In 2018, it was around 20 to 22, and in 2019, total number of questions from reasoning was very less because all of a sudden DU have given so much importance, or they have focused, or they have given the emphasis more towards legal constitution subject पे. Legal के questions ज़्यादा थे, questions from constitution or polity was more in 2019. In fact, from other sections also there were very less questions. English की बात कर लो, maths की बात करूँ, reasoning से भी इन्होंने बहुत कम कर दिया. In 2019, total number of questions was I believe 9 to 10, actually 9 actually 9. So these things are for DU in different exams, in different years, because DU have not fixed their total number of questions asked from different sections. उन्होंने fix किसी भी section से नहीं किया है. यहाँ मैं एक चीज़ आपको बता दूँ. There was a huge difference from 18 to 19. There was a huge difference in pattern. Pattern के context में अगर मैं बात करूँ, so there was a huge difference from 2018 to 2019. In 2018, I believe 4 to 5 questions were from legal, whereas in 2019 it was around 50 to 60 questions, and then 10-20 questions were from polity constitution. So overall, there were I believe 70-75 questions were from polity and legal, and so from other sections they have cut down the total number of questions, काफी कम कर दिया था. So these things are about DU के pattern की ये बातें होगी. Now let me talk something about HM as well. There is another exam for UG guys, which is HM. Now in HM, total number of questions from reasoning is 30 and it is fixed. They'll ask 30 questions from reasoning. Total number of question in the paper were 200. 200 का उनका complete paper होता है और इसमें reasoning will be of 30 marks. And again, here if you talk about the section wise number of questions, basically from analytical how many questions, from critical how many questions. So we'll say from analytical reasoning there will be around 80% questions, and from critical there will be around 20 questions. तो आप ये समझो 2019 के पेपर की बात है. I'm talking about 2019 paper. 26 questions were on fingers. 26 questions were from analytical reasoning, and they've asked 4 questions from critical reasoning. और इसमें भी कहाँ से पूछे थे उन्होंने वो भी मैं आपको यहाँ बता दूँ. They've asked 2 questions from assumption. There is a topic in critical reasoning. So 2 questions were from assumption and 2 questions were from cause and effect, which actually see, cause and effect topic is actually important for HM guys only. Normally cause and effect is not being asked in law exams, right? They ask cause and effect in other way, that is assertion and reason. assertion reason करके वहाँ law के पेपर में पूछते हैं, बट कॉज एंड इफेक्ट की बातें यहाँ एचएम के पेपर में दिख जाए. सो 2 क्वेश्चंस उन्होंने एजम्पशन से पूछे थे एंड 2 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम कॉज एंड इफेक्ट. ओवरऑल दे हैव आस्क्ड 4 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग एंड रेस्ट 26 क्वेश्चंस वर फ्रॉम एनालिटिकल. एचएम की बातें हैं ये 2019 में भी हुआ है एंड सिमिलरली सेम थिंग सेम पैटर्न वाज देयर इन 2018 पेपर एज वेल, राइट. अच्छा, डीयू के अंदर भी यही सिचुएशन है, मैं वहां पे मिस कर गया. डीयू के अंदर यही सिचुएशन है, डीयू एलएलबी के अंदर. इनफैक्ट एचएम, बीबीए, डीयू, जैट, दे ऑल आर हैविंग सेम पैटर्न. ये जितने भी यूजी एग्जाम्स हैं, दे ऑल आर हैविंग सेम पैटर्न. नॉर्मली दे आस्क वेरी फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, फोकस विल बी मोर टुवर्ड्स एनालिटिकल. नाउ डीयू एलएलबी के अंदर भी point is and the situation is more focus is towards analytical reasoning. critical reasoning से कभी 0% तो कभी 10%. total number of questions in DU from critical reasoning is very less. Last year in 2019 they have not asked single question like CLAT. They have not asked single question from critical reasoning. All the questions, 9 questions were there and they all are from critical analytical reasoning, right? In 2018 they have asked I believe 2 questions. 2 क्वेश्चन उन्होंने पूछा था उधर से. अगेन 2017 में भी शायद 1 या 2 क्वेश्चन क्रिटिकल से. क्रिटिकल से बहुत कम क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं किसी भी दूसरे एग्जाम में, बट इन क्लैट बेसिकली फ्रॉम 2020 आई बिलीव in CLAT there will be more question from critical reasoning. So guys, these things are something about the weightage of reasoning in various exams, in various UG exams.